The Insta360 X6 is finally here, and we now have official pricing to talk about. After weeks of leaks and rumors, the numbers are out, and honestly, the price might be the most surprising part of this camera. The Insta360 X6 Standard Bundle is priced at $699, while the Essentials Bundle costs $769. Pre-orders are opening on August 12th, which is also the official launch date. Some early buyers are already claiming they managed to place their orders, but here is why the price is such a big deal. Insta360 has been increasing the price of its 360 cameras in fairly small steps. The X3 launched at $449 in 2022. Then the X4 arrived at $499, which was a $50 increase. The X5 followed the same pattern at $549. But the X6 changes everything. Instead of another $50 increase, the X6 costs $150 more than the X5. That is 3 times the usual price increase and the biggest jump we have seen in this series. So, what are you getting for that extra money? The biggest upgrade is the camera system. The X6 moves to dual 1-inch class sensors, compared with the smaller sensors used in the X5. This should improve image quality, especially in difficult lighting conditions. The X6 also pushes 8K recording to 50 frames per second, compared with 30 frames per second on the X5. That could make footage look smoother and give creators more flexibility when recording fast-moving subjects. Battery life has also received an upgrade. The X6 comes with a 2,600 mAh battery, with up to around 140 minutes of 8K 30 frames per second recording under the stated conditions. Then there is the new, more compact body design and replaceable lenses 2.0, which should make the camera easier to maintain if the lenses get damaged. The Essentials Bundle costs another $70. Based on the previous X5 package, it could include useful accessories such as an extra battery, fast charge case, invisible selfie stick, lens guards, and a carry case. But now comes the interesting part: DJI. The current DJI Osmo 360 already competes closely with the X6, but the upcoming Osmo 360 Mark II could make the price difference even harder to ignore. Current estimates suggest the Osmo 360 Mark II could start around $450 to $500, while a creator combo could land somewhere below $550 to $600. That means the standard X6 could be around $200 or more expensive than the DJI base package. Even the $769 X6 Essentials Bundle could still cost roughly $170 to $220 more than the expected DJI Creator Combo. And this is where things get difficult for Insta360. The X6 has some impressive upgrades, including improved sensors, faster 8K recording, a redesigned body, and new software features. But for many X4 and X5 owners, the upgrade may not feel worth the price, especially because existing batteries and accessories may not be fully compatible. DJI could offer a much better value if the rumored pricing and specifications are accurate. There is just one major problem: availability. If the Osmo 360 Mark II does not officially launch in the US, American buyers may have very limited choices. And that could make the expensive X6 the only realistic option for people who want a new, high-end 360 camera. So, is the Insta360 X6 actually worth $699? The hardware looks impressive, but that huge price jump makes the decision much harder than before.